Hi everyone, good morning. I just did a 10-minute backing I just did a 10-minute walking backwards on my treadmill. I got my vitamins specifically from Walmart, and I want to do like a taste test because it is a liquid vitamin, and I don't know, medicine usually tastes like shit, you know. I've seen this on TikTok so many times that everyone says how great of a vitamin this is. We're gonna try it out. This motherfucker was expensive. I think it usually, oh my god, it usually retails for about $40. I got it on sale for like $35 at Walmart. So let's go through our rotation of vitamins. Also, I wish vitamins come in like cute packaging so you can just like display it, because like what the fuck is this? We're gonna take our berberine plus. I got my collagen plus. My favorite thing that I take, because I literally feel a difference instantly, it is turmeric and ginger, and this is my favorite brand that I use. I buy this on Amazon. Then omega-3, there's so many great things about omega-3, and this is the one that I usually use. So 2 tablespoons. Hopefully I don't spill this. It's giving like watered down version. It doesn't taste bad at all, but it tastes like water. So I don't know if someone put water in this. Okay, that's not bad at all. It smells really good. It smells like strawberry. I got the strawberry flavor. Okay, we're good. And let's see if I can keep up with this every morning. I'm gonna log into work. The curtain broke my screen. Look at that. I mean, it still works. Oh my god, it really hit it hard. I can tell it's having problems. I feel like I need to do something, because all these like medicines are just not gonna sit very well in my stomach, which is so lovely. So let's get that going. I'm gonna be doing my decaf coffee, which you guys know I love. New England coffee. Okay guys, it is 7:35 and I'm about to go to Whole Foods and return a bunch of stuff from Amazon, mainly the extra monitor that didn't fit, and the curtain situation, because y'all know that I just couldn't figure that out. My apartment's also getting dirty, so I need to clean it. I'll do that tomorrow. I have my eye appointment tomorrow, which I'm excited. The vitamins, that concussion, it worked a little bit too good. I had so much energy the whole day that I didn't know what to do with myself. It is 7:39 and I still have energy. And like I am on my lunch break currently. And before I go into, look what I got. I keep hearing about this. I keep seeing it on TikTok and it looks very juicy, and I was craving chicken. So, you know, instead of cooking my own chicken, I went and bought it. Oh, the fries are all, I'm gonna have to reheat some of these, but I got the sauce because everyone says the sauce is good. I like bungles a lot. This sauce is really fucking good. It's like the Chick-fil-A sauce. I mean, honestly, the tenders taste like any tender. You can get like bungles, which I think is in the South for the most part. I had it on an airport once. It's really good. And the best part, it was very affordable. I got all of this for $12. I do hate that they don't deliver. They are not on any of the delivery apps, which is annoying. Alright guys, I got the package from Rare Beauty for the lip kit. Cute. I've never ordered from like Rare Beauty directly. Makeup makes you feel good and without hiding what makes you unique. Cute. And then you get like a little bag for this tiny ass thing. You know, it's okay, it's okay. I wish it was a bigger size, because if you compare it to the Kylie kit, you get like full size for $24, and in here you're getting half the size for $25. So, oh, it's gonna be so good. And it's retractable. Okay, I love that. I also got the pants that I showed you. I returned them and got new ones, and this one should definitely fit. I got the size 31 by mistakes, and these pants, this specific style, has no stretch on them, so I couldn't zip them up. So I went with a size 33, so I went 2 sizes up. And then I placed an order on Hollister last minute. They just had a jacket that I really want, like the style jacket that I really want. It's a little bit cropped, so let's see how this looks. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is perfect. But I like this one because it has the hood. It's a big ass hood. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And you guys know I got the brown one from from ASOS. So this is just like a different vibe. It's like cropped. The other one is like big and oversized. I am obsessed. Did I go outside? Oh, I did. I also got bottoms that I'm gonna have to return because I ordered them in the wrong size by accident. I had them in my car and I thought they were my size, but they're a double XL, and the XLs are already big on me. I know these ones are gonna be way too big, like, especially I have no hips. But look how beautiful this pattern is. So they told me to let them know, and they'll give me a free return code, because I tried to have them, let's try these pants and see how they fit, because I do have my eye appointment in an hour and a half. Okay, the jeans fit. They fit pretty good actually, but they're just big right here. Like they fit pretty comfortably right here. Is my crotch. Maybe I can get them tailored. I need to find like a tailor. Maybe I can get this adjusted so that way they fit better. Like I'd rather be suffocating up here and not have this and have this and be comfortable here. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do that. Alright, I'm too lazy to like get my setup ready, you know? But I just got back from the eye doctor. Everyone was super nice in the office. I just keep forgetting that I am in like city light, because that office is small. Like the machines were all like in the same room. I was like, what the fuck is happening? I'm used to going to like a big office, you know, and this was so like small and like compact. But I got my prescription. I don't know how bad it is. They're both pretty fucking blind. Period. -72. -75. Yay! I am definitely blind. I knew that. Also, she said that my eyes were clogged because of dryness. I was like, I've never heard of that before. She said that you have to buy like a heating pad for your eyes and do that 10 minutes every day after being on the computer all the time. I was like, love that for me. Also, my eyes are currently dilated, so lighting is very sensitive. I was like, I walked in, like my apartment gets a lot of light, as you can tell. I mean, beautiful lighting, and it was reflecting into the white border of my window, and I was like, oh my god, that's too bright. Actually, I'm just gonna have we're gonna have our glasses on. Yeah, I don't think I got my eyes dilated since I was a kid, but eating this cookies, they're good. We're gonna go glasses shopping today. I have a few friends that like another Amazon package. I went to return the fucking display and it's not letting me return it at Whole Foods. This is the eye mask recommended by the eye doctor that I went to the other day, yesterday. Weird, but I'm gonna see if it works. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting warm. I would think like colder would be best, but yep, it feels really nice actually in my eyes. Ooh. And then I'm gonna figure out the Amazon stuff because I don't have a UPS store nearby. I only have like alias of UPS, and I don't think none of them can take my package, so we have to figure out what the fuck. Hi everyone, good morning. It is Thursday. This week has been so long, but I walked to Dunkin' Donuts and got me myself some donuts because I've been craving them. And this is what I got. Super cute. I still have Starbucks ready from a gift card that I got on Christmas that I need to use. I do have a walkable Starbucks as well. It's just I have to cross the road and like I don't feel like doing that, so we're not gonna do that. And then I also got my groceries delivered this morning, and I got myself some covered chocolate strawberries because why not? These are good. The chocolate is good. Hi guys, I got food from like a new place. I feel like I should make this into like a food thing, and I got chicken roll tacos. This doesn't look good because I feel like I keep ordering from like the same place, so I was like, let me just try something new. These were definitely a cheaper place. My mouth is literally watering. Just wish they would like put everything on the side like I asked. Also, I don't know if I show you guys what I got from, I'm gonna be doing a haul and posting it, like filming a haul and posting it on TikTok and also on YouTube, but I'll give you a sneak peek. I don't know what will be going up first. If it's up, go check it out. But from Abercrombie, I got this top because I really like this shape of top and I thought it would be really cute for work. And I also thought it was gonna be the really soft material that Abercrombie usually uses. It is not. It is a very cheap material and a material that I fucking hate. But I think I'm still gonna wear it, so I'm gonna keep it. The next thing that I bought is a black blazer because even though I had one from like years and years ago, it was very fitted. It doesn't fit me anymore and it's not like an oversized look. So I found this one in Abercrombie and it doesn't fit me super oversized, but it does gives me like the look. And Abercrombie pretty good quality on that, so it was worth it. I had coupons, it was a sale, it was good. I found this shirt on Abercrombie, and if you have a short torso and you find yourself buying oversized graphic tees and them being too long, these are the ones. It's like the perfect fit. I don't know how to describe it. Perfect fit material. And honestly, I don't wear my graphic tees as much anymore because I used to wear them to work at the store, which I don't do anymore, and I can't really wear this to work. And it's currently cold, so I just wear hoodies. But once it starts warming up, like this suit will be my rotation. The bikini bottom that I exchanged, if you guys saw that clip, this is a size large, which this is gonna fit instead of the double XL. I don't know how that happened, but this one's also a different style. This one is the Chiquias style, which I already have two different patterns on this style and they fit fine, but I have them in the extra large, and the issue is like they don't stay in place, and on the butt area it just like keeps moving everywhere. So I got the large and this fit perfect. They're a little bit tight on the stomach area, but like It will be fine. And then from Urban Outfitters, I got this super cute top because I don't have like cute dainty tops that I like or that I can wear without wearing my boobs being out. The last thing that I got from Urban Outfitters, and the reason why I placed an order, were these pants. Like, hello. Look at these pants. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Ignore my hair. I'm just gonna eat food, and I don't know, hair bothers me, so I try to get it out of my face when I'm eating. But I got my motherfucking glasses, and I'm so excited. You have no idea. They got here so fast. They were not supposed to be here until like Monday. I am so excited. They're all from I Buy Direct. Blind, but I am. These are my like sunglasses-esque. Let me see if I can see. I can see so good. Oh my god, I love them. They're a little bit big on my eyes for sure. Like, this is like a new prescription, so I kind of need to get used to it too. They're like a little bit bigger over here, so they need to get adjusted. I don't know how to adjust that, but yes, these are so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, these ones I definitely can see better. Their vibe. What is my hair doing up here? I love this so much. These are also like the main thing that these are like the ones that I wanted the most. I've been eyeing these style in like different websites, and I am obsessed. I love them so much. Definitely has a glare on. You can see the glare. There's like, you can pay more to get those removed, but like, I don't really care. They're so beautiful. Oh my god. They look so good. Oh my god. This might be honestly my favorite. I am obsessed. They all look so good and they were so affordable. I am obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed. I also got a package from American Eagle. This is the one that I was telling you guys that I literally paid $4 for all of this. So let's open it up. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh my god, and it's thin. So excited. Now I can throw away my other one. Just like a regular size sweater. Oh, so nice. Very oversized. They said it was a sweatshirt. Oh, it is. It's like a polo theme. It says New York. And it's black, and it's something about American Eagle. They never do black on the woman's side. They always do that like ugly gray charcoal color. I don't know why. So their color palette is definitely like baby blue, like that mauvey pink, that ugly gray, creams, and yellows and oranges for the like summer and spring. So these are the pants that I got. They're the low-rise baggy straight jeans. Are they stretchy? They're a little bit stretchy. These might fit me a little bit tighter, maybe because they're a different style. They have a cuff. Oh, I am missing half of my what the fuck? I am missing my candy and my soda. Okay, hold up. Let me just go get my food.